Welcome back friends, and in this video I am going to tell you something in Samsung mobile by which you can get some attractive look. So just one method of customization in which you do not need any external thing, everything is available here. I am going to tell you some interesting themes, 6 or 7 themes. By using those themes you can have a better experience of your Samsung mobile. So not wasting much of your time, if you are new to the channel, please do consider to subscribe this channel if you like the video. So just long press and here you will see themes. Just go to the themes. Here you can browse and check out my stuff. I have selected some stuffs. Otherwise you can browse from here also, and here you can see many features, many featured themes. You can also see wallpaper, icons, many things. Here when you tap the top you will get the free and the paid themes. So just go back again, go to the themes, check out my stuff, and here see rain themes. See how you see the smooth experience you will see after applying this. So I'm not applying it just now, just rainbow smoke. See, smoky theme you will see after applying these themes. These themes are free. Then go back and now suppose this eclipse. Now see, this icon are very handy also, and you will find this type of interface. Now neon skull, many of you may like this. You can apply from here. Then this starry night, this type of theme. Then suppose I'm applying this one, what will happen? Apply it. Now it is applying 0%. It is applying. Now see, it has been applied. You can see the icons, everything has been changed. Now just long press it, go to the themes. If you do not like this, go to my stuff and go back to the default one, apply. Now default one will again be activated. So this is how I have come to my default setting. So this is what I wanted to tell you in this video. If you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.